Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 132. The title of today's lesson is Media is a Plural Noun. This is one where students could get confused. They make a few mistakes with media, so let's cover them. Let's look at the note first. The media collectively means as a group, includes news on television, radio, in newspapers, magazine, and news on the internet. So it includes all of them together. That is the media. Medium is the singular form of media. So medium is the singular, media is the plural. All right, here is one possible mistake. You see with the X, newspapers are a dying media, because we hear media so much. I could even almost see a native speaker making this mistake. So the correct way to say it is newspapers are a dying medium, because newspaper is only one of them. It's just newspapers. Media would have to be at least newspapers and television, or at least has to be another one. It has to be at least two mediums to be media. So if you only say one, newspapers are a dying medium. It should be the singular. All right, this is another possible mistake that students might make. Probably a native speaker wouldn't make this, but an ESL student of English as a second language, could make this. The medias, of course, it never takes an S. Media is already the plural. So the medias often sensationalize the news. Of course, that's wrong. With the check here, this is correct. The media often sensationalize the news. Good. All right, now, technically, because there's always a question here about, what verb should media use. Technically, media is supposed to use a plural verb. And in formal writing, you should follow that rule. However, in common everyday speech, you will often hear media use the third person with media. So in writing, it really should, the media are, or, you should be using a plural. But, even when I listen to it, it almost instinctively sounds correct to saying the media is, because I hear a lot of people say it. So in speech, you will hear it a lot, but technically, it should be using a plural. So here, the media are wrong. This would be correct. It should be taking a plural verb. And of course, the X, this is wrong. The media is wrong, even though I think even you do sometimes even hear regular native speakers use is with it, which is really not proper. It's not correct. Okay, I hope that's clear. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.